Alright, boys, welcome back to the channel. It's finally Season 4 in Madden 21 Ultimate Team, which means it's time to rip packs because the new series reduxes are in packs, and the first day they tend to be flying out of those packs. And as well, as you can see, there's 2 limited editions in packs right now, and those are never bad to get. As well, there's also new playoff cards, so there's a lot to go for, and we're going to jump right into it. We're going to go through all 1.2 million coins that we have. And we're going to start with our All-Pro Fantasy Pack since they were nice enough to refresh for us. So, oh wow, Dak. I haven't seen him in packs in a while. So 2 elites to start. Not great, but not bad for the first round. Huey Williamson. Okay, legend. 81 Rod Woodson. This could be good. And it's not. 83 and Jeff Gladney. Okay, so I'm going to go Noah Fant and Rod Woodson. I don't really care for that Lamar. So, pretty boring first pack. Silver, not the way you want to start. Another silver. Okay, a legend. There we go. Rod Woodson again. And Kyler Murray. Okay. Halloween card. Akeem Hicks. Okay, this could be good. Nope. Malcolm Butler. Okay. And a gold. Akeem Hicks. I mean, he just got a card. Maybe it's worth something. Okay, moving on. Power up. Not an expensive one. Okay, this could be good. Aaron Jones. Pretty boring first round. Eric Murray. Cortland Sutton. Stephen Hoshka. Desmond Trufant. And Ndamukong Suh. Who we're actually going to take. Okay, so nothing exciting as of yet. We're going to go from the back this time. Addison. Danny Amendola. Silver card and a silver card. Okay. It's not what you want to see. Cody Whitehair. DK Metcalf. Dan Marino. Anthony Nelson. And Roquan Smith. Okay. I mean, if it's the 95 DK, I'm all for that, but that 80 team of the week is not what we're looking for at this point. Okay, legend. Robert Mathis and a silver. Okay. So Robert Mathis, basically. Kevin Pierre-Louis. Okay. Please be a good one. Okay. 92 LT. I will take that. That's awesome. 82 Herschel Walker. And another legend, Steve Atwater. So LT is by far our best pull so far. These first rounds are not really doing anything for us right now. DJ Moore. Oh, coin quick sell. 80. Oh well, 18,000 coins, not bad. So we're gonna go Steve Smith and the coin quick sell. And we're just gonna quick sell immediately so we have more money for packs. Okay. Right out backwards and forwards. And we didn't even get an elite in this round. Justin Reed. Ronnie Stanley, okay, that's an 85. Okay, big legend. 90 John Randall. That's a good one. I will happily take that. So Ronnie Stanley and him. Okay, starting to see some more interesting things. We still have not hit Series Redux. Okay, legend to start, not bad. Joe Thomas. Mac Wilson. Oh, turkey card. Fullback. The trippy thing is the playoff cards have the same animation as the high elites, so kind of can't help but get excited when you see that, but then you're often disappointed. I don't know. It's a bunch of low elites. Okay, so we got 2 left. See if we can get something crazy, because at this point we kind of need it if we want to make profit. Okay, all gold first round. Might be all gold second round. The way it's going. Marcus Lawrence and Kirk Cousins. Wow, that was a terrible pack. Our best pull was that 92 LT, and that was going backwards, so our last pack will be going backwards. Power up, Byron Jones, Justin Coleman. At least we got an elite in the first round. Okay. Nothing special. Okay. Alvin Cook, 84, that's not bad. Darren Fells. Harrison Smith, 86. Oh, this could be good. 86 Deion Sanders. Okay. I'll take that. Okay, so we got a full the 50 card and a full John Randall. 90 and 92 are our best pulls from that. Definitely not spectacular. Hopefully we can make at least like 250,000 coins back. That's the goal. I don't know if we will, but we'll see. Okay, I figure we'll get into clutch packs now. Do 10 of these, and then we'll see how many coins we have left. And I don't know if I want to get into the playoff packs. I might just do get a gold, but we'll see. Oh, I didn't even realize Tre'Davious White was our elite that pack. Oh, and we don't have to pick because it's a clutch pack. There's no selecting. Okay. I mean, 86. For 40,000 coins is not what we're looking for. What are the chances here? 7% chance of pulling a 92 rough. Full one? Nope. 82. Can we get another elite? Okay, legend. 87 Steve McNair. That's a little bit better. So at least 2 elites. Still not going to be 40,000 though. Silvers I don't want to see at all. $87 Ronnie Lott. Okay. It's still not what we're really looking for, but let's go forwards. Maybe we get better luck. Janoris Jenkins. Power up. Landon Collins, that's a good one. Casey Hayward. You gotta be kidding me. An 84 base elite. That's what you want to see for 40,000 coins. Connor McGovern. Daniels. Teron Armstead. And Justin Herbert. Man, clutch packs are just like never good, eh? Okay, low legend, 82 Jerry Rice. Oh my god. Oh, what's this? Okay, we got a Series Redux Buda Baker. That's cool. That's what we're looking for. Oh, we got 3 elites in that pack. Okay. So I guess you just gotta call out the packs and then they'll come to life. Oh, 84 Tony. Oh, this could be good. 84. Okay, well, at least we got 2 84s. Okay, we're going to go back and forth on these last 3. Mark Andrews, silver player, Terrell Lewis, legend, but low legend, 84 Robert Mathis. We already pulled him once. And Amir Abdullah, who I would consider a pretty big bust considering he never seems to do anything. Full one? No. Yikes, an 80 overall. 87? 81. It's not what you want to see. Full DeMarcus Ware. Tyler Lockett. That's a full one. And Michael Thomas. Okay, not bad. That's not good. 80. Too many silvers. 85. Okay, so we got 500,000 coins left. Clutch packs were disappointing. All pro packs were kind of disappointing. So we go all in on get a gold packs, or we could chase after these NFL playoff packs, which offer you an 87 or higher. That's expensive though. I think I'm gonna go get a gold players. We'll just get as many as we can and see how those treat us. Okay, so we have 105 Get a Gold player packs and 1 Gridiron Pack as our walk-off. So let's see if we have any luck. Austin Blythe. Leonard Floyd. Elf Lane. I don't know. Okay, first elite. Robert Woods. Russell Okung. Henry Anderson. Second elite. Oh. Johnny Smith. Frozen player. Corey Clement. Anthony Brown, not an elite. Charles Leno Jr. Brian Fitzpatrick. Okay, third elite is Matt Prater. 82 overall. Malcolm Brown. Power up. Lamar Jackson. Oh, big legend. 92 Deacon Jones. All right, that's awesome. Nathan Shepard. Oh, another big legend. 90 Reggie Wayne. All right, let's keep the big legends coming. 84 Lynn Bowden Jr. Another legend or elite, Chris Jones, Cowboys punter. Jake Elliott. Rock Yassin. Jimmy Ward. Amir Abdullah. Alex Mack. Not going to attempt that one. Nate Solder. Darnell Savage. Please be a full one. Shane Leckler. Not the full one. Oh, man. Couldn't be the playoff DK Metcalf. Well, Hernandez. Edo Smith. Marcus Ware. Adam Thielen. Tracy Walker. Roger Saffold. The third. Hayden Hurst. Jarrell Casey. Vance McDonald. Jacob Holster. Oh, I thought we were going to get a special animation there for a second. Oof. Never exciting when you see that. The first promo animation. It's been a while since we pulled anything high, so let's see if we can get back to that. Zach Ertz. Okay, Legend. 82 John Lynch. Let's go back to Flashing Light Legends. Adrian Phillips. Javon Kinlaw. Didn't hear much from him this year. Eric Rowe. Power Up. Justin Smith. Oh man, he was a monster when he played. Jake Bailey. Marcus Golden. Come on. It's a lot of golds. Cody Ford. No series reduxes yet from this pack. Michael Brockers. Ooh, that's something different. What is that? Rising Star? Sean Murphy Bunting? Alright, something. Cool animation at least. Getting tired of seeing the golds. And then we get a bunch of golds in a row. Jabril Peppers. Let's get a Randy Moss 96. Oh, 86. You misheard me. Rick Wagner. Seth Roberts. Legend. Kevin Mawai. Alright, let's get one of these limited editions. Jared Goff. Cal Van Noy. Nathan Shepard. No, Anthony Costanzo want to jump in my packs, maybe? Chase Edmonds. Kendall Fuller. Kenny Vaccaro. Okay, Team of the Week. Tom Brady, 79. Not even an elite. Not even going to try that name. Devin Singletary. Quinnen Williams. Jamison Crowder. Surprised he left Washington. '91 Reggie Bush. I will take that. Oh, back to back. Oh, if that was the full Larry Allen, would have been pumped. I want to get that card. Xavier McKinney. Kenny Moore, the second. Jacoby Brissett. Taylor Decker. Ferris McKinley. Landon Collins. I got his power up too. Matt Breda. Xavier Rhodes, 83. Come on, can we pull like a playoff card, series redux, limited edition, something exciting? Hunter Renfro. Trey Burton. Oh, enough of this animation. I don't want to see it anymore. It's just instant disappointment. Sheldon Rankins. Jerick McKinnon. Graham Gano. Jonathan Allen, 92. Kendrick Bourne. Jacob Hollister. Eddie Goldman. Not really getting anything big, eh? Desmond Trufant. Nothing like crazy big. I think our highest pull is still on 92. It's pretty disappointing. Shot Reeland. Harold Landry, 78. He's not even an elite. Latavius Murray. Okay, a legend, but a low legend. Cliff Harris. Please be a good one. 2 Randy Mosses, but not the big one. Okay, last is our Gridiron Pack, and we're going to go back and forth. And it looks like it's going to be a bunch of golds. Okay, we got an elite. Avery Williamson, 80. Might as well be a gold. And that's it. Wow. So just quickly, my guess is I am not making anywhere close to 1.2 million coins back. That's my guess. If we can get to like 800k, I think I'd be pretty happy. But I mean, that might be a stretch. So, no, it's definitely a stretch. Our best card was probably that 92. Yeah, that was not good. Yeah, it was surprisingly bad. Usually, new season, the pack odds are a little bit more with you, but I guess not this time. There are several rerolls that are also in things, so I think we're going to do a video on that, see if any of them are viable. So we'll do that some point in the weekend after we sell some stuff back and get our coins back up. Just quickly, we're going to go over the team. So Joe Thomas is now powered up. I went with Mitchell Schwartz as our NAT playoff card, and he's powered up. Tight ends are the same. I added Roy Williams, and I put Andre Johnson because I leveled them up quite a bit on the team. And Roy Williams obviously is added to help our Cowboys chemistry. Marcel Reese is on the team just because I pulled him and I needed a better fullback. Tony Dorsett's my 1-2 punch with King Henry, and Zeke is our third back until he gets power up. Dak's our backup. Sam Mills is finally getting up there for us. we're going to switch around linebackers. We're probably going to get DeMarcus Ware powered up again. Roy Williams is our starting strong safety now because he's got that Cowboys chemistry. And then we got Calvin and Eddie Jackson. Dion is now our starting corner because he's got with Cowboys chemistry. He's a 98. I still got to power up some of my defensive linemen, but Aaron Donald, Geno Atkins, Bryant Young, J.J. Watt, Justin Houston, DeMarcus Lawrence are backup ends, and DJ Reader's our backup tackle. And our sub linebackers are Adrian Amos and Malcolm Jenkins. So yeah, the team's gotten a lot better. The chemistries are getting up there. I just need to spend some training on getting my defensive line and putting on chemistries for everyone. But I think we'll be at like 95, 96 when that's all done. That's it for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you had better luck if you're ripping packs today. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel to help it grow so we can add more content daily. And until next time, guys, have a good one.